Today we'll be installing Torklift camper tie downs, part number D3109 on a Ram 3500. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for a sliding camper. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie downs are powder coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for any future installs. Starting off, locate and remove the 3 factory bolts that attach the bumper bracket to the frame. Lift the tie-down receiver into place and line up the holes in the receiver with the holes in the frame. Reinstall the factory bolts. Line up the inside bracket with the oval hole on the hitch. Install a bolt, plate washer, and star washer through the receiver plate. Secure with a lock washer and nut. Torque down all the hardware. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. When you're ready to use your tie downs, simply slide an insert into the receiver and secure with the provided 1/4-inch pin. Your tie downs are now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.